eBay promoted listings, what to do. Here's my thoughts on all these controversial videos that all these YouTubers like Auction Teacher Man and everyone's been posting about eBay promoted listings. Here's my thoughts. All these YouTubers are teaching their audiences about ad blocker, therefore blocking ads on YouTube, therefore taking money out of their own pockets. But seriously though, roll with the punches, just go with the flow, adapt, survive, overcome. Everyone doesn't use ad blocker other than now every single person on YouTube that watches reselling videos. Ad blocker doesn't cover the app, the eBay app. It barely covers mobile. You have to go into your settings to block. You have to go, if you even use ad blocker, you have to go into your settings just to change it. They allow unobtrusive ads, so you have to actually go into your settings to block those as well. I use ad blocker and I don't have that turned on, so if anyone makes a ad that's not obnoxious, not loud, not flashing, then I see them. I see promoted listings. I'm personally going to continue using promoted listings because if anyone does order everything by lowest price, which I do, which I'm sure you do when you buy things, then your promoted listing will be up high. If you order everything by lowest price and it's $50 as at the lowest and your item's priced at 70 something, then your item's going to be right up there at the top with all the items that are like 50 something. So that's what I'm going to do. Do whatever the hell you want to do. Watch videos, stay educated. Turn them on, turn them off. I don't care. Experiment. Figure it out for yourself. Figure out what works. Put the work in. I mean, you're a business, right? So now you know how all these companies feel, all these businesses feel, all these corporations feel when they got their ads blocked, when they paid for the advertising. Now you're paying for the advertising and it might get blocked. That's capitalism, baby. I've got nothing to worry about because I buy popular items. I only get popular, fast selling items, just like I teach in flippingelectronics.com. I only buy the best stuff delivered to me to my front door, messaging people from local apps, having them bring me stuff, the best, most popular items, bringing them straight to me so I can list them on eBay and Amazon and back on Craigslist and all the other local apps. Just like I teach on flippingelectronics.com. For the free training, you want to see the free training, free videos, flippingtraining.com. If you want to get serious, flippingelectronics.com. But it's that easy. Just start buying better crap. Stop buying junk. Right, kitten? Tell these people.